It's a penguin.
No.
Come on.
Should I be scared? Oh, wait, that's sharp. Whoa, it's like a little dinosaur. Alligator?
You got it.
Yeah, that's an alligator.
Look at that.
Oh, whoa!
Hey, good job.
Sounds like a bird.
Oh, that's so cute.
Can I weigh it?
It likes being held.
Is it an otter?
Yes, it's an otter.
Oh.
This is probably the most dangerous animal so far.
Oh my God, it bit me. It bit you?
Slender neck. Is it a peacock?
Yes, very good.
Subscribe if you think she'll get it right.
Is it a mini horse?
Close.
What is happening? Is this Jimmy? Good boy.